Good day, learners. Welcome to Mathematical Literacy. I am Miss Nina Vermeulen, and we are going to work with time and calculations with time. Let's look at the practice questions. Number 1, write the following times in the 24-hour format. Now, remember, the 24-hour format is where we use 1300 hours and 1500 hours and. How do we do that? We simply take our time by writing it slowly, and then we add 12 hours. So then 11:15 p.m. is going to be 13:15 in the 24-hour format. So just quickly again, what did we do? If we want to write the analog time in the 24-hour format, you just add the 12. Another one, write the following times in the 24-hour format. The movie ends at 10:28 a.m. Now this is quite easy. There's nothing strange about it. The only thing that happens is we cancel the a.m. So then it's going to be 10:28. Why is there nothing else? Because remember, this is now before 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Only after 12 o'clock in the afternoon, we add 12 to get the 24-hour format. Write the following times in the 12-hour format. Okay, so what did we do when we wanted the 24-hour format? We add 12 to that time. Now, we're simply going to subtract 12. So it's going to be 1550 minus 12 hours. And then, I don't know about you, but it is 3:15. Does it make sense? I think so. Write the following times in the 12-hour format. The coffee shop opens at 8:45 in the morning. Okay, so 8:45, it's going to be 8:45 a.m. Why do we need to put the a.m. now? Because it's 12 hours. We need to say whether it's pre or post or after the afternoon, 12 o'clock. So therefore, it's in the morning. Morning is a.m. and then it's 8:45. Peter started his MasterChef cook-off at 8 o'clock. If the challenge is 2,75 hours long, convert the duration to minutes. Okay, so what do we have here? We have got 2 hours and the 0.75 part of an hour. Remember, we can't say 75 minutes. It's 2 hours and then 75% of the third hour. So what are we going to do? We are simply going to say 2,75 times 60, and that is then 165 minutes. Again, guys, remember, it's not 2 hours and 75 minutes. It's 75 parts of an hour. Convert the following from hours and minutes to hours only. So, I took 2 hours and 53 minutes to clean my house. I don't think that's a big house anyways, but we've got 2 hours already. We just need to take that 53 minutes, so it's going to be 2 hours plus 53 over 60. And then you'll see, if you put it into your calculator, that's 2,88 hours. Convert the following from hours and minutes to minutes only. So now we have got 15 hours that we need to take to minutes. So it's going to be 15 hours to minutes. It's times 60. And then we're going to add the 25 minutes. So it's going to be, punch it into your calculator, 15 times 60 is 900 plus the 25, and that is then 925 minutes. I walked my dog for 1,12 hours. Remember, again, we need to go from hours to hours and minutes. Now, this is where it gets confusing, but this is where you can use your calculator and that wonderful time button that we've learned. What do? You press into your calculator 1,12 and use that magic button, and you press equals, and then it's going to say 1.12 and the magic button. It gives you 1 degrees, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So convert the following from hours to hours and minutes. It's going to be 1 hour and 7 minutes. We rounded the 12 seconds to 7 minutes because it's less than half a second of half a minute. Sorry about that. Convert the following from hours to hours and minutes. I waited 3,75 hours to board my flight. Again, use that button, 3,75 and the button, 3.75 into your calculator and the button. It gives you 3 degrees, 45 minutes. And now I simply substitute because we can't show that. It's going to be 3 hours and 45 minutes. Let's look at the next question. If school starts at 7:50, which is 10 to 8, and a period is 45 minutes long, what time period 3 will start, or what time will period 3 start rather? Now, the first thing that we need to do here is we need to calculate the duration of the first 2 periods. So it's going to be 2 times 45 minutes. And 2 times 45 minutes is 90 minutes, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes in total. Now we need to take that and add it to the start time, 7:50 plus 1 hour and 30 minutes. Here you can use your calculator again by using the button, or you can do the normal time calculation. I prefer the calculator because it's quite easy, and I know then it's not enough room for mistakes, or there's less room for mistakes rather. So remember your button after each and every one, and then you will see that the third period will start at 9:20, 20 past 9. So that brings us to the start of the third period then, is 9:20. Let's look at the question in front of us. Write the following in digital time. 8:55 a.m. So when we write in digital time, we know that we first need to get rid of the a.m. because digital time is the 24-hour time. Now, the next step is to check whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon, because if it's in the afternoon, we need to add 12 hours, but now it's not. So in digital time, it is in the morning, so it will remain 8:55. That's an easy one. I think I want easy ones like this in the future. Write the following in digital time: 4 hours and 25 minutes before 7:45. So here is a calculation that we first need to do. We need to take 7:45 and deduct 4 hours and 25 minutes. Let's put that into our calculators. Let's practice the time button. Use that one then. So it's 7:45 minus 4 and the time button, 25 time button. And then you will see it is 3:20. So my digital time then would be 20 past 3 in the morning. And that brings us to another ad break. See you soon.